Shikayo la kulento yaphakela uRamadola akaseyena uphakela umthakathi uphakela uRamadola igama lakho uphakela uRamadola ngoba uqamba amanga ayikho into enyenyanyisa njengomuntu oqamba amanga ehamba umuntu engale esingazi khona ehambe yedwa abuya ezoqamba amanga pure lies ngcono uthule mos ngcono uthule kunokuqamba amanga uphakela amadola uwaqambelana amanga kuthina siyisizwe azothi wangena lapha emithingini eqembile that's first number 1 manga nazi isithombe siyazibona akaqembile usitshela ukuthi wahamba ebusuku yena eStandard Town lapha kathi wajika khona eqembile wazi wayongena endlini kamongameli eqembile waqambelana amanga uqeda uthi umfazi womuntu uJesinca akangeke hleze embelethile utshela thina lawo masimba lawo lophakela uMadola lo utshela lawo masimba lawo uqeda uthi wayihamba nengane yakhe ayingenanga yonke yini lesahlephu lesesishuda noma akusingane yakhe lokho kumbi yebo sabe ngithi insizwa manje ngiphoxile manje futak awuzazi insizwa wena ubhizi uphushana nale shandisi le umtsizwa bomtsizwa bokunuka uthina 12 years sisangena amakhanda thina siyaze lapha lento for 12 years asiyazi thina sazi imashini mashi eqamukilwe lingane lapha esikoleni intombazane le umangobe sayedwa qoba ukuthi wafika wazomnceda manje wafuna ukuzodla igazi lakhe kube imbongolo ndini umtsizwa nomtsizwa ubuqhamuka manje yini yona leyo nonsense leyo lokusiphusha ngakho if ufuna ukuphusha leyo nto iphusha eceleni phuma kwimashini mashi phuma kwinto elilwelwa umphakathi straight ngoba uzazi Zulu lani wena jiki hey usufuna ukuhlehlisa ukhetho jiki usufuna ukuhlehlisa umthateti wabekwa wena this and this ufuna ukuhlehlisa uhlangana nami nemashini mashi uqede wathi wena awuzange ubiza imashi pho uyohlanganela nomongameli mayilana nemashini mashi uhlanganelani nemashini mashi ngoba umtsizwa sibazilutho uhlangane nix nemashini mashi hayi uyaphapha niyaphapha too much dlala ukuphapha Dilgan, bulane emuva. Swine fool.
Guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Me now I'm good, you know me, I'm always nice. Always nah. There's an issue that is happening. I see a lot of people, they are tagging me, they want me to say something about Jacinta and Phakela fighting right now. After they've chased away all the immigrants, now they start fighting. I've always been vocal about these things. I've always said that in the end, these people, they will fight. Because they started a long time ago. It's just that when, as a citizen, you will not be able to see it. Because when it started, they were fighting indirectly. But now, because Phakela and Ngizwe went to the government to go and take a share of that 600 million, that is where they actually cut ties with Jacinta. That is where they actually stole the movement that she started and they turned it into their movement. That is where they sold the country. Because what? Or because why? In the beginning of March and March, they said that they want to overthrow the government. They want to remove the government. That is Jacinta's message. She wants to remove the government. I've always said that you cannot beat the government. You can never beat the government at this game because this is their game. They always know who to talk to make sure that everything always falls in their favor or always favors them. So they saw that Phakela Mthakathi is hungry for power. Do you understand? Like he's hungry for power. He's not hungry to change the lives of South Africans. He is hungry for power. He's a politician. He's always been an IFP member. But because he has power, he's been on the ground, he's a warrior, a lot of people follow him. He has a more following than Jacinta. So the government knew that if they go to Jacinta, Jacinta is Zuma's daughter. She's already captured by MKP. She works for MKP. So they cannot capture MKP because MKP is a competitor to ANC. Which is led by Ramaphosa. So in order for ANC to retain power, they need to find someone within the movement who is not an MKP member, who is Phakela Mthakathi. He's not MK, he is IFP. So it is very easy for him to can sell out and join ANC. Do you understand? So that's the move that they made. That's the move that they played. It is nothing new. It is not surprising. It has always been happening for a very long time. I told you people that these people, they don't care about you. The only thing that they care about is money. The way Phakela Mthakathi was talking about the president before the meeting was very different to what he's saying right now. Because Ramaphosa, I always say, he's a chess master. He's the one at the top. He's the government. He knows what to do, who to talk to in order for him to get what he wants. Now, Phakela Mthakathi has officially driven all of his supporters to the ANC. Even IFP, his own party, is not going to get the votes that they were looking to get through him because Ramaphosa played another chess move and he used him to campaign for ANC. So right now, ANC in these local government elections, no one is going to beat the ANC because Ramaphosa has chest moved everyone. That is why Jacinta is very mad right now, and there's nothing she can do because Phakela is more powerful than her. So it is nothing surprising, guys. Don't be surprised and say, oh, no, these people are fighting. They've always been fighting. They've always been fighting. It's just like you guys, you did not see these things when they were happening. And I mean, when I was saying, they said, I just wanted to start things that are not there, things that do not exist. These things have always been there. They will keep on being there. So I always told you, these people don't care about you. Look now, you were saying you were fighting for your jobs. You want to remove the government. Yes, Katele ANC, Skatele ANC. The person who was at the forefront leading that movement right now has been captured by the ANC. 600 million that they said they are going to release to protect the country, that they did not even protect because a lot of people were killed on the 30th. There's a lot of videos that I have that I don't know if I can share them. They will block my account. But a lot of people were killed. They did not do anything to protect this country. But what they were doing was just looting money. So much and much, their main goal was that they need the government to release funds. So when they release the funds, they can share because they are the ones who started the movement that made the government release those funds. So don't be surprised, guys. These people don't care about you. They've never cared about you. The only people who care about you is us. The Bantu movement. I've always told you, no one who is going to teach you how to hate your African brothers who cares about you. There's no one who's going to say whether you must bow down to the white man who really cares about you. There's no one who's going to say bow to the Indian, bow to the Pakistani who really cares about you. A person who cares about you is going to prioritize the people who look like you, which are black people. It does not matter where they come from because some of them are neutralized citizens here in South Africa, but they do not prioritize them. They chase them away because those people, they have a much better training when it comes to economics, when it comes to working than the South Africans. One, they want to be bosses, those ones from outside. The South Africans still want to be slaves. They want to fall under a government. Do you understand? So be careful of who you follow. I've always told you people, be careful of who you follow. South Africans are going to keep on crying for the next 10 years now because of the people that you followed, thinking that they care about you, and the only thing that they were looking for is money, fame, and power.
Zamukusibabanisa no Jacinta bathi uphakela ufuna ukudla into yakho. Kusho umuntu ohlele endlini, mina bengiphumile ngahlanganisa insizwa ezu 257,000 ngizokweseka umuntu wesifazane. Kodwa khona ohlele endlini othi uphakela ufuna ukuyijeka into kaJacinta. Ngihlangana phi nje nezinto zabantu besifazane mina. Uma ungibuka nje wena ngisho ungibuka ngapha nje ukungibone uyangimagina nje ngihlangana nezinto zabafazi. Mina uNkulunkulu wangipha inhliziyo yokuthanda bafowethu. Uyabona sonke singaba right empilweni. Uyabona uma ngifundisa ukuthanda, mina ngiyathanda mina bafowethu. Ngiyathanda. Njoba ngime phambi kweni la bafowethu ngiyanithanda. Ningabafowethu. Ukube nginayo imali, mina izwe ngalungisa ngesikhathi esincane kahle. Ukube nje imali ngisinayo kulula ukulungisizwe kulula. Uyabona la ipoint la. Kunebhilidi uJoslov imhlophe kwa yebo mana yezwa cha ngibona lifile nje izwe lamadoda afika ngacabanga lutho into imvukele manje ayikhulume manje thina siyahlela thina wemkhaya uyabona mina ngikutshela ngiyanifungela kungangithatha 30 minutes kuphela ukukhipha laba abantu abalapha 30 minutes baphume bonke futhi bephume bonke singabashanga sisebenza ngalutho bathi siyabathinta ngasebenza ngalutho thina phela asambe ngalendlela yenu yobu volunteer bamaqembu asihambi kanjalo thina senza into ezosustaineka hayi into enokuhlanya phakathi yabo asithenjiswanga impuphu la asizugijima siyokwenza into ngoba sazitamba bazothola impuphu no asenzanga lokho uyabona ilula into yokulungisa izinto la uyabona nje leli bhilidi leli la elihlala abantu bokufika nalapha eduze kwase Bayside khona mawukhupha ukuthi siyazi la kuhlala khona abantu bokufika izona indawo esoprove ngazo ukuthi kulula kanjani ukukhipha abantu bokufika bangena emabhilidini ngenkani lapha eMbilo kunezindlu zaka Transnet lapha eMbilo abangokwa ongazi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi abantu bokufika basi nje ukuthi leza zindlu eka Transnet ayinamnikazi kwayongena bona bodwa inkingi kunanku umasipala angishonga ukuthi umeya angishonga ukuthi umanager angishonga ukuthi umuntu ngithe umasipala ngoba mawukhuluma umuntu akufanele ukugxeka abantu uthukane nabantu wokwenza umsebenzi abantu bazokuhloniphela lokho uyabona kusukela manje kuya phambili mina ngifuna iNigeria mina ukuthiwa nje lithiwa lithinto ningikhombise lona lelo kuthiwa lithintwa ngoba akekho umuntu ongeza ukuthintwa la akekho umuntu ongeza ukuthintwa la izwe lo baba mkhulu leli uyabona sizolungisa leyo nto kodwa ngifuna ukunincoma mina madoda ngoba ade umengameli ucelile njengoba ade sihlangene wacela wathi sengihlangene neNgonyama sengizohlangana nani manje ngiyacela ithe iNgonyama iyazi ukuthi nenzani iyazi ukuthi futhi niqhubha ngendlela eqondile yani itshela ukuthi niqhubhe ngendlela eqondile umengameli bezocela lokho akuphelanga ngisho u10 minutes izolo ebusuku ngithola icall kumuntu oseParliament ethi umongameli udlulisa ukubonga ethi uyanibonga njengamadoda la iKZN iyona babushabalala la iKZN isona sifundazwe kuphela okuboshwa abantu ababili kuso isifundazwe njengoba singaki beboshelwa lokho ade sikwenza bayeke laba baboshela ukudakwa no kuhambe benza izinto abangayiboni kulo msebenzi ade siwenza la iKZN yonke kuboshwa abantu ababili kuphela izwe lingaka abafowethu niyabona niphathe kahle kanjani niyabona ukuthi ningamadoda kubekani nobudoda bonke laba abanye ababoshiwe bebeboshela ukudakwa nokusangana singeni-ke lapho laba ababoshiwe beganga ngegama lethu baboshela ukuthi lokho okwenzayo akahambisani nalelo laba abanye bebedakiwe ngeke sibale abantu abadakiwe kade singadakiwe thina utshwala singaphuzi niyabona ubhuti lo uThusi induna cela nihloniphe izoya lapha induna iyoninikeza ikhipha ngoba noma iye ngale uye ngale nduna ngale ngoba mina ngifuna ukuyikhulumela nezingane la bangihlupha ngifuna ukweshela mina lapha nina nibhizi nizo ngolayini akahambe nje oyedwa ayimele lapha sekulayini loyo
mina sengirayi mina